Do you want to transform your Defender 110 upgrade to Defender OCTA but no idea about how's the difference between the 110 and the Defender OCTA? Or do you have the idea about to get a package of the body kit but no idea what included in it? So in this video, you will get all the information you'll need. This body kit is available for the car from 2020 to 2026. To transform OCTA style, you may go into changing your front bumper, rear bumper, side skirt, and the most important wheel edge. The body parts we offer is permanent color, so when you receive it, you can paint the color code as you like. But we do some piece of the gloss black mesh grille for help you to save the cost in your local market. If you want to be more OCTA style, you can also choose the extra carbon fiber side vents or carbon fiber bonnet vent to make the car more luxury and premium. Our body kits no draw, no horse, no cut, so that will fit perfect. And we do also offer the car for diesel vent, and you just made a handmade work on the engine when you fix the body kit and the tips. On the other hand, people more care about which kind of accessories they can do for the car, make it more OCTA style. So we do also offer the LED lights and the wheel rims. This is customized forged wheel rims, which is factory 20 OCTA style, and we do also support to make the 22-inch. The 2026 LED headlights plug and play can be upgraded for the car from 2020 to 2025. And you may find a difference between the 2026 and the older model tail lights. Our tail lamps can be plug and play upgrade for the car from 2020 to 2026. Alright, that's all the information I want to share with you guys today. If you get more questions, just leave your comments. Some Auto Parts, your best partner for new Defender modification. See you next video. Bye!